Okay, so we're going to do an impromptu discussion on fuel line here because the issue of Tygon came up. And what I want is black rubber hose that's this diameter that I can buy in a 100-foot reel. Why do I not see that on the market? For whatever reason, I can't seem to find that. If somebody can find me a link to that, that'd be lovely. Somebody says, oh, Tygon. So here's Tygon. 3/30 seconds ID, 3/16 OD. Now this is the stuff you're supposed to use for the Husqvarna saws, I think. The only problem is, I think it's too small. Outer diameter. Inner diameter is almost irrelevant. It's the outer diameter that becomes important because the outer diameter is what actually seals against the tank. So let's look. This is a Husky 350 tank. And it's got a used fuel line. Is this all right? Might be an okay fuel line, so I'll test that in a minute. But let's remove the fuel line, because I'm going to do that anyway. Okay. It just seems like regular rubber to me. So what you can do is you can pressure test this line and see if it's good or not. I'm going to assume that the fuel filter is bad, so we're going to get rid of that automatically. But let's check on something here. So here's the Tygon. If it slides in easy, which it does, that slides in easy. In fact, too easy. Which means that's not going to seal well. Let's check the sizes. So rubber line, 7/30 seconds. Roughly. If I bring it to millimeters, 6 millimeters is a little big. So the outer diameter is slightly smaller than 6 millimeters. It's actually closer to 15/64. Quarter inch is too big. So 7/30 seconds would probably work. There's 3/16 line, which this is. I don't know. I've taken this Tygon, I've stuck it on the shelf, and I'm not going to use it because I don't trust it to seal in that hole. Same thing with the Husqvarna 372s. So I live my life one piece of fuel line at a time, and I gotta buy it in this length, which is silly. I don't understand why I can't buy it in this length, but this type of line. Anybody have any solutions? I'm all ears. But this is frustrating. This is real frustrating. I mean, coloring me frustrated.